Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to upgrade the firmware for your Lark M2 wireless microphone. So the first step is to ensure that the Lark Sound app has been installed. Once it's been installed, you want to tap on it to launch it. From here, you want to ensure that the connection has been established. So ensure that you've inserted your receiver and that your receiver are now connected to your wireless microphones. Once you've done all of that, and you can even see this sound level is moving up and down, which means that you've successfully connected them. Then all you need to do is simply tap on this arrow button that's facing up in the top right corner of your screen. And then you should see this device upgrade. So all you need to do is simply confirm that you want to upgrade this specific device and then wait for it to download. You'll see this pink light, which means that the upgrade is in process. So don't switch or don't exit the app or don't even unplug this receiver. Just wait for the upgrade to complete itself. So, as you can see, the wireless microphones have now switched to a blue color, and that's because these have been updated, and all it's remaining is simply the receiver. So now, we just wait for the receiver to finish updating. And as you can see, you have the update successful. So it will disconnect from your phone and then reconnect with the upgrade complete. So now you'll notice that arrow button has switched to an info icon. And when you tap on it, all you can do is simply see the current version that you're using, which means that there's no more updates available, which means that you've successfully upgraded the firmware for your microphones. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.